Craig, it's so nice to see you. I hope it's okay I'm here. I just knew I couldn't miss this. Hi, Mom. Yes, but please remember everything we asked. Linda will be in the waiting room with you. When will they bring me back? It could be a while still. After the baby is born and everything settles, we will let you guys know. So I really am not allowed in the delivery room? And I hope those rules apply to Linda as well. No, it'll just be me with Rachel. And remember, please don't tell anyone or post anything on social media. Why not? Why can't I share the birth of my grandbaby? You can. I'll let you know when you can. We want to be the ones to announce it first. Fine. Craig, can you please get me some more ice? Of course. I'll be right back. Rachel. Knock, knock. Oh, you look so tired, dear. Jen, what are you doing in here? This is a bit embarrassing, but I came here in hopes that you would change your mind and let me in the delivery room. No, get out of my room. Why are you taking this experience away from me? You're not the only one in labor. We all are. This is our baby. Get out of my room right now or I'll have security remove you. Rachel, please. You don't understand. This is a plea of a dying woman. Would you really be so heartless to deny a dying woman? Mom, what are you doing here? What do you mean, dying Craig? Woman? All I wanted was to see the birth of my grandbaby. Get her out of here now. Mom, what are you talking about? Craig, it's just awful. My doctor gave me some awful news the other day. I'm too upset to even talk about it. My son is about to be born and this is when you choose to bring it up. You are unbelievable. If you come into our room without permission, again security will escort you out. Please just ask Rachel to have some compassion for an old, unliving woman. Our decision is final. Please stop. In fact, you can just leave. You clearly have no respect for us. No, Craig. I'm not leaving. Why can't you see how important this is to me? This isn't about you. You can't make me leave. I have a right to be here. I have the right to witness this. I can't make you leave, but you have no right to be in our room. Bye, Mom. Just letting you know, she is still sitting here in the waiting room. Except she's now harassing me for updates. She keeps telling me she has the right to know and will sue me if I don't tell her anything. I'm so sorry, I don't even know what to do. I'd get security involved, but they are so busy up here I really don't want to bother them. No matter, I can deal with Jan. How is Rachel doing? She's great. They're moving us into the delivery room now. Shouldn't be much longer. Good luck. Baby boy was born an hour later. Both baby and mom were healthy. Craig sends Linda a picture. Is that them? Is the baby here? I see a picture. Get out of my face, Jan. Please just show me the picture, and I promise I'll leave you alone. Jan, leave me alone, or I'll call security. Jan snatches Linda's phone from her and locks herself in the bathroom. Are you a child? Give me my phone back. Security. 2 minutes later. Nonsense, Linda. No need for security. Here's your silly phone. You are such a nasty woman. You saw your picture, now get out of here. My mom is finally gone. I hate that she saw the baby's picture. I'm just glad she's gone. I don't like how she treated my mom. The nurse said we can have visitors soon. You didn't tell anyone about baby boy yet, right? No, of course not. You still have my phone. Why? My phone is blowing up with congratulations texts. My mom wouldn't be that cruel, would she? Check Facebook. I swear I canned her. Oh my G0D. I can't believe this. I wish your mom checked her phone after the stunt she pulled. She literally took a picture of your mom's phone with her own. This sucks. The picture looks awful too. I am so excited to introduce to all of my family and close friends to a very special and handsome baby boy, my baby. Labor and delivery wasn't easy, but I did it. He is here. Doesn't he have the most precious face? He looks just like my Craig. I can't wait to have this baby boy in my arms and my care. Unfortunately, I'll have to wait, but no one will keep me from him. G0D has set me on a mission to save him and raise him. Oh my goodness, look at his cute face. How is mommy doing? I didn't see a post from her or Craig yet. I don't know. I'm just doing my own thing. They have decided to exclude me. Jen, I'm very concerned after reading this. Reach out to me. Please pray for my grandbaby and his health. The wording of your post is confusing and concerning. Is Rachel okay? If you're so concerned about her, go ask her yourself. This is so wrong. This is not your baby. You clearly have no respect for your son, otherwise you wouldn't have taken this away from him. They should have been able to announce their own baby on their own terms. This is just as much my baby. I have 50% rights as a grandmother. Craig, I love you, but this has gone too far. I can't do it anymore. Raising a baby is hard enough. I won't allow your mom to make it more difficult. I completely understand. Before today, I would have probably tried to work with her, but I'm done too. I think it's time we block her and try and move on. I'm sorry, I know how much she means to you. I know this can't be easy. You and baby boy are my priority. It's time to do what's best for us. No, this isn't easy, but she hasn't left us any other choice. My mom said we should still take our time for our announcement, but I think we should post it and take that power away from her. They posted their own announcement with some new pictures of baby boy. Jan was blocked on everything. Unfortunately, this isn't the end of Jan. Craig, I know we aren't seeing eye to eye, but you can't keep the baby from me forever. If I don't hear back from you by 2 p.m., I will come over. What number is this? I have nothing to say to you. I blocked you for a reason. Do not show up and do not contact me again. Nonsense, Craig. Stop the dramatics. I already have my attorney ready to take legal action. You can waste your money on an attorney, but you will not contact me anymore. Where did I go wrong in raising you? This is heartbreaking. 2 hours later. Hello, is this the home of Craig Omet? Yes, how can I help you, officer? We were called to conduct a welfare check on baby boy. May we come in? We were asked to conduct a welfare check on baby boy. Is he home? Officer, this must be a misunderstanding. He's only 3 days old. We literally just got discharged from the hospital yesterday. Is this really necessary? I'll be in and out, I promise. Craig lets him in and shows him the discharge papers. He walks around for 2 minutes and walks out. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry to bother you. Enjoy your new family member. He seems healthy and well cared for already. Thank you. I'm honestly sorry my mom wasted your time too. I never mentioned who filed the report. You don't have to. Is there a way I can file harassment charges based on this false report? I would advise contacting an attorney. Here is how you can get a copy of this report for your records. Harassing new parents with a 3-day-old is insane. I just don't know if we can afford to pay for an attorney. and the stress of going through all of that right now. Don't worry, I spoke to my friend. He's the lawyer that deals with those malpractice cases. He's familiar with family court too. He said he has no problem helping us out if we need it. If we cover court fees, he'll do it in exchange for me to do his taxes. That's great. What does he know about grandparent rights? Our state barely even recognizes them. It's really only used for serious cases where the parents are not around or unable to care for their own kids. Wow, she seems so sure she has them. Probably got the info from her clown friends at the bingo hall. I finished installing all the security cameras around the house. I'll teach you how to view them from. Everyone please say a prayer for my grandbaby. A friend of mine told me she saw the police at my son's house today. I have no clue why the police were called. I just hope my baby boy is okay. My son has completely cut me off. I'm heartbroken. I just want to see my baby boy. Craig, if you are reading this, whatever trouble you got yourself into, please know I am here for you. We can get you and Rachel the help you need. I never in a million years thought I would have to take my own son to court. Thank goodness they have something called grandparent rights. I would have never understood the reason for such a thing before this week. Just the thought of never meeting my grandbaby makes me sick. If I am kept from him, it would make me feel like I could unalive. Lastly, please pray for Craig. Pray that G0D will guide him back on the right. Craig, I really needed to try one more time. Please let's work this out in the best interest of baby boy without getting the courts involved. One day Rachel will get sick of you and baby boy and leave, but your mother will always be here for you. I'm your mother. You are causing me a great deal of pain and stress. This is putting me into such a depression. Craig, this is making me so sick. I am spiraling into a dark path and have even thought of unaliving myself. Once again, you are not respecting my space. How many numbers do I need to block before you make me file harassment charges and get a restraining order? How dare you threaten me? This isn't my son. This must be Rachel. I think it's time for... I can't believe she is saying all that. It's a cry for help. But what can we do? I'll take care of it. 911, please state your emergency. Hi, I'm worried about my friend. She's not in a good place. She made some concerning statements on her Facebook page about depression. She has also sent similar messages and stated unaliving herself to my son-in-law. I'm worried she will hurt herself or worse. I need someone to check on her. Okay, we will conduct a welfare check. Do you know where she is? I believe she's at home. Her address is 321 Confusion Circle. We will send someone over right away. Would you like to stay on the line until an officer gets there? No, that's okay. Thank you. Hi, Rachel. Congratulations on the new baby. I was hoping we could talk woman to woman. Hi, I'm sorry, do I know you? My name is Janice. I'm a friend of Jan's. We play bingo together. I have no clue why she is having you reach out, but please leave us alone. We have nothing to do with her anymore. This isn't her doing. I'm reaching out without her knowledge. I'm just a concerned friend. If you are truly her friend, you would tell her to stop harassing us and leave us alone. So you and Craig don't feel guilty at all that you got her Baker acted on false claims. You don't feel guilty for taking advantage of her poor mental state. You're now a mother. How would you feel if your son treated you like this? It was a cry for help, and you guys abused resources that other people actually need. Do not text me again.